Hello, my name is Sophia Roberts. Today is September 4th, 2021. I will be addressing the Department of Health and Environmental Control for the state of South Carolina. This presentation is aimed to address management alternatives of restoring water quality to the Saluda River. This presentation will cover the selected management alternatives as well as the success criteria for those alternatives. The Saluda River is in Columbia, South Carolina. This river conjoins with both the Congaree River and the Broad River. This river is known for its recreational activities in the Midlands of South Carolina. This river has a diverse ecosystem and a rich history. Along the Saluda River lies a water treatment facility. Unfortunately, this facility has had reoccurring spills annually since 2013. The largest spill being in 2015 of over 5 million gallons of raw sewage leaked in the river for over a week's time. There have also been many smaller spills that have occurred, but the facility is not required to report spills if they are less than 500 gallons. This has caused high levels of E. coli to be reported in the river, which resulted in the public being advised to no longer use the river for recreational activities. The Saluda River Restoration Project envisions a river abundant and diverse in wildlife, providing the community with a flourishing river for future generations to enjoy. This vision statement can be achieved and maintained when the proposed management alternatives are executed. This is an achievable vision for the community because the Saluda River once was everything that it aims to be. It has been done before, therefore it can be done again. In order to reduce the likelihood of new spills occurring, there are two main objectives that need to be addressed simultaneously. First, the aging utility lines need to be replaced. These lines will continue to be a revolving issue until they are replaced. Management of the facility must be revised. Employee training on spills should be mandated. By providing employee training on spills and how they must be addressed, this reduces the length of time in which spills occur, resulting in a lower amount of contamination to the river. The training should be conducted in intervals of employees so it does not disrupt workflow. When training is completed, it is suggested that random scenario drills be conducted to assess how the management and employees respond to the spills and the efficiency in which they respond. Lastly, there should be records kept of all spills, including the time, date, cause of spill, and the weather. This should be done even if the spill is under the required amount to report. This will help analyze if there are any further precautions that can be taken, or if there are any other factors contributing to the spills occurring, such as weather. For this management plan to be successful, there must be measurable objectives. The first success criteria is that there is an improvement of employee response to spills. This will be measured by conducting employee training on spill response and integrating random spill scenarios. The success of this training can be measured by timing the response from employees to the spill and how quickly a resolution would be met. Over time, with training, the response and resolution time should gradually decrease. Next, with considering all spills, including minor spills of less than 500 gallons, data can be compiled to see if there has been a quarterly reduction of spills. This data can easily be compiled into a graph to show a trend of reduction. If this plan is successful, there will also be a reduction of spills during a heavy rain season due to the replacement of the utility lines and employee training. Due to the success of the training and aging utility lines, there will be an overall reduction of contamination to the river. This will result in a safe recreational environment for the community and wildlife. The following references have supported this presentation. Thank you for your time.